The following video will outline the steps required to install the Hills Double Folding Frame Clothesline. Please note, this video demonstrates installation to a masonry substrate, and the 8 M8x70 wall bolts supplied with the product are for masonry installation only. If fixing to a different substrate, please consult your local hardware specialist for advice on which fixings to use, and adapt step 1 of this video accordingly. Your Hills carton will contain the following items. You'll also need the following tools. Firstly, select a suitable location, ensuring there is sufficient clearance around the clothesline. We recommend 500mm on the sides and 750mm from the front. Using the brackets as templates, mark the hole centers. We recommend aligning the lower hole centers with the user's eye height. The outer hole centers should be exactly 2,353mm apart. Use a spirit level to ensure the hole centers are level vertically and horizontally. If you are mounting to masonry, brick or concrete, drill 10mm holes at the marked points and secure into position using the M8x70 masonry wall bolts supplied with the product. If using alternative fixings, secure the wall brackets in an appropriate manner for your substrate. Repeat the process on the other bracket. Slide the 8 arm end caps onto the end of each arm and strut, then secure the arms and struts into the wall brackets using the 4 Chicago bolts. Ensure the shorter inner frame arms are on the inside of the clothesline. Using the hex keys supplied, fasten into place. Repeat the process on the other side. Moving from right to left, insert one inner front bar into the inner right arm. Slide one joining bar onto the inner front bar. Slide the remaining inner front bar into the joining bar. Carefully slot the assembled bars into the left inner arm. Moving from right to left, insert one outer front bar into the outer right arm. Slide one joining bar onto the outer front bar. Slide the remaining outer front bar into the joining bar. Carefully slot the assembled bars into the outer left arm. Your clothesline comes with the line tensioner and lines pre-attached on both frames. Thread the line through each frame in alternating directions, keeping tension as you go. To tie off the line, align the line tie-off with the hole in the clothesline arm and pull the line straight through the frame and the line tie-off. Ensure all the lines are taut, then pull the line tight and down. Then wedge it right to secure it into the gap at the base of the line tie-off. Thread the line back and forth through the holes on the inside of the line tie-off so the line finishes back on the inside of the arm. Wedge it again, this time into the opposite side gap at the base of the line tie-off and snip off the excess. Repeat the process for the outer frame line. To tension the line, rotate the line tension dial in a clockwise direction until the lines are taut. To raise and lock either of the frames, grip in the middle and lift upwards until you hear the folding bracket click. To lower either of the frames, grip the frame in the middle and raise it slightly above your head until you hear both folding brackets click, then guide the frame into the closed position.